Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everyone. It is 9:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this second day of March 2021. Looking at our cryptocurrency markets, we did a review of them yesterday, going over the Ichimoku system and looking for ideas. I'm back on our point and figure charts. Still anticipating some moves lower because if you remember, the weekly Kijun-sen still has not yet been tested. For some cryptos, it's been around that 52-week period. And so that is still the direction I'm looking. There are some exceptions to this, such as Cardano, where I think Cardano could break either way. Cardano has a couple areas that we can look at for both sides of the market. It's got clear signs of consolidation, especially when you see the bear market and the bear market trend angles continuing to kind of go all over the place one after another. So the bullish entry here would be at 132 even, and that would break us into a new bull market again. And the break of that double top breaks that trend line. So a buy stop at 132 even there. Also on the short side of it, we could look at a short at 119 even. I think though the closer you get to $1, the least likely you're going to see a lot of downside pressure. There's probably a lot of buyers down there. I haven't looked at the order book in a while, but that's just how that looks. Plus, the fact that we've been consolidating now is a good sign because that's showing that there's still interest in prices moving higher. We haven't seen a complete collapse of prices. We've seen some pretty steep, fast drops like we saw over the weekend, but those got bought up pretty rapidly. So that's on Cardano. Binance Coin, I think we should still look at the short side of this, but I want to wait to see how this forms over the next couple days. Polkadot, I like the short idea over here on Polkadot. I think Polkadot's just going to kind of collapse here at some point. So we have a sell stop at 35.25. That is because of the there's great entry for the short side because of a triple bottom that would form. That'd be a very, very nice entry. And I would probably limit the target to like, I don't know, around that 32.75 zone, because we may very well see it bounce a little bit from there and respect that bullish trend line. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin it's got a kind of an interesting looking chart. We'll come back to that. Litecoin, I think we'll leave Litecoin alone for now, and Ethereum, we'll leave that one alone. I mean, Ethereum does have a long setup here at 1,610. So Ethereum has a buy entry, and for Bitcoin, oh man, I think I'll just kind of leave that where it's at. But Ethereum, I'm tempted to look at the short side of this on Litecoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there's a more clear buy signal on Ethereum right now. In the short term, I wouldn't hang on to it for very long at all. But there is a short part of this that could play out as well. But for right now, looks like a long continuation setup. That's what we should focus on. But I'll keep it short and sweet here. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.